So what's awesome about this Samsung dishwasher is it has an easy cleaning mechanism. So if I open this up, you can see at the bottom there's something that looks like a cup. And if I twist this off, it comes straight out. And that's not the end of it. You could clean this. That actually fastens these in place. You could clean this, take this out, clean the filter. And then at the bottom here, you could also clean this particular item. And you could see, you know, there's water at the bottom. Kind of nice. You always want to know, you do want to put those clips under and then rotate this back in. And you know, this sort of only goes in one way, so you know, once you have it seated, it's nice and tight, and you can shake it around to test it out. But that's really it, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.